is Daud, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise from your audio. I'm using Adobe Audition CC 2017, and I'm going to show how you can remove barks, dogs barks, because I found many background noise removal tutorials for that is from the background noise, but here I have a sample with literally dogs barking. Okay, so I have here barks, and here in the start I also have barks.
Salute.
Okay, here I have bark, in the end I have bark, and in the middle I have barks. I'm gonna show you first how you can remove those alone, and then I'm gonna show you how you can remove barks from your audio where you speak, okay, from your dialogue. Here I'm gonna select this. Yeah, that's a bark, definitely. I'm gonna remove this and this. Minus 96. I'm gonna select this. Minus 96. Minus 96. 96. Okay. I removed the barks from here. I think this is a bark. Okay, this is a bark. Excuse me. I didn't remove the one. Okay, so here in the start I have a bark.
Salute.
Oh, that's a bark. We're gonna zoom in. I use Alt and the wheel, scroll wheel, zooming in, and I'm gonna try to find the bark. Here I have an image. If you don't know this program shows you an image of your audio, and it's more easily. Wow, listen to the dogs. I love them. God. Okay, so here you need to find the audio, the dogs. I already know this is the part that I want to select because I've made this video so many times. That's a dog. Definitely, that's a dog. Minus 96.
Salute.
Oh, no dog here. I'm gonna show you in the dialogue. That's the start. So you're gonna say, "Hey, you told us that you gonna show us how you can make in a dialogue." With the remove.
3 și astăzi vreau să
Okay.
vă cânt.
Found some dogs here.
Și astăzi vreau să vă cânt. Vreau să vă cânt.
Okay, so let's see. I guess this is a dog. Yeah, that's definitely a dog. Minus 96. This is a dog? Yeah, that's a dog. Minus 96.
Vă cânt.
Oh. So let's see here.
3 și astăzi vreau să
Let's see if I can find other dogs.
Astăzi vreau să vă cânt.
Okay. I guess here is a dog.
Dog.
Let's see. Dog.
Astăzi vreau să vă cânt.
What is this?
Vreau să vă cânt.
This is a dog. I'm gonna remove it. And
Vă cânt.
I guess this is still a dog. So this is a dog minus 96. Okay, so let's listen it again.
Salut, sunt Bobby 513 și astăzi vreau să vă cânt.
Okay, so definitely it's more clear. This is a dog. I'm gonna remove it. This is a dog, I guess. Okay.
Salut, sunt Bobby 513 și astăzi vreau să vă cânt.
Okay, so it's pretty much good. You need to make some touch-ups and you are all good. Thank you for watching. This is my 6th tutorial. Please subscribe if you liked it. Please share it. Leave in the comment the next tutorial you want to see on this channel. I was Dode. Thank you for watching. See you another time.